y'all, so today is the next day. I had a really good time at the R&B experience. It was really good. The only thing is, y'all, I had to leave a little bit early because it was so fucking cold. Oh my god, it was so cold. And I had brought a jacket, I was wearing pants, and I still was cold. I forgot my blanket. But you know, I have like I don't know if I told you guys before, but I have like Raynaud's, and it affects like my fingers and my toes. And basically, like when I'm cold, I start to lose like circulation like in my fingers and my toes. So my fingers was starting to like tingle. So that's like the first sign. Like I'll lose feeling, like they'll be numb, and then like they swell. Then if I'm still in the cold, they'll start to get purple, like bluish purple. So I was just like, I gotta go. I didn't get a chance to see, ooh, excuse me y'all, I didn't get a chance to see Division or Money Long, so I was a little upset, but not too bad because I technically already saw like Division. I've seen Division like 3 times. I've seen just saw Money Long at the Chris Brown concert, so I didn't really miss anything, and it was really a good time, like for it to be like a really free experience. I definitely would have brought my picnic blanket and not listen to them people on the website, because I like to have my chair on top of my blanket. I don't like all that grass kicking up and all that jazz, and you know, I have allergies and stuff like that. And two, just to really clearly like kind of mark my space, like I just, you know, I don't want all that, you know, extra stuff. But it was really good. And yeah, so I finally got my package. Let me show y'all what I got. So I had to like complain because I had ordered some stuff from Sephora, and FedEx delivered it to the wrong address. So Sephora resent my order. So this is what I got. I got this Patriot Towel setting spray. It's gonna be my first time using it. It's the Until Dawn. It's mattifying waterproof setting spray. This is gonna be my first time trying it. And then I also have this, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush setting spray. It's also gonna be my first time as well. It's a party all night long, stay all day. So it's saying that it's supposed to last a long time. Yeah, there was this thing on Shade Room when this post was asking people about setting spray, and so some people was like they mix this and this together, but the directions say this one you can spray on before and after. So before you start applying your makeup, you can just spray this on and then put on your makeup and then spray it on afterwards. And then this one is, it doesn't really say, it just says, oh, nope, it don't say when you can put it on. So before I mix these together, like it was suggested, I am going to try them like separately. So I'm probably gonna try this one, the Charlotte Tilbury first, and then I'll do the Patriot Tie. I'm going to one music fest in what, 2 weeks, so that's gonna be like an all-day thing. So one day I'll try the Charlotte Tilbury, and then day 2 I'll put on the Patriot Top, and then I'll let y'all know like what I thought about the coverage, and did it last long and all that jazz, because I usually use Urban Decay, the Party All Night, and the dark purple one. And when I tell you my face never moves, my face never moves. But I want to try something different. I don't know. I'm usually, if it ain't broke, don't fix it type of thing. But I said I'm going to try to get out of that. And, well, not get out of it too bad, but I do want to try some of my stuff. But I still got my Urban Decay. So, you know, if all else fails, I can pull out my Old Faithful. And then they gave me like some samples too. They gave me like this complexion stick. My Alia, And then I also got another sample from Alia. It's, let's see what it is. Bronzer and I guess concealer, which neither is really my shade, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Yeah. Yeah, they definitely, they need to have more samples. They need to have samples that fit darker skin tone too, because that just not gonna fit me. Okay, so yeah, I pretty much just want to show y'all what I had bought and just check in. And then I'm just waiting for Bae. He went to the grocery store, and I'm gonna be making Philly cheese for the first time, so I'll bring y'all along with that. All right, see y'all.
It's my regular. I'm talking. Things for better. Things for better. Way better. It's my regular. I'm talking. Things for better. Your love is a one in a million. It
Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. Ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. All summer, all summer, 4-5 dollars, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and hours, like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. One in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got standards, excuse my manners, I got standards, I got status, you want standard, see more comments, and I see commas, they gon' tell me, we going down to, let me be honest, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is Donda, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my, move out of the way of my release, tryna get me off my